big. Okay? Guys, this one, girls, I don't think you all can do it. But if guys, if you're really in a situation where you're facing a very huge guy who's grabbing you, okay, there is one point that you should go for. Okay? No matter how big he is, he will drop. Okay? Okay, just grab me. Cannot lepas, too big, cannot too hard, the hole. Okay? Alright? So you only need one finger. Okay, you see this collarbone here? Okay, hold here, show that. Okay, you see this collarbone over here? Okay? Your finger go in. You will drop. Confirm. Confirm. It's the nerve point.
That point.
That point here.
Hey, don't tell
Okay, no matter how big it is, right? Over here, Nick.
Someone you only press, not
You don't even have to use strength, just like that. You will go down already.